Hi, I'm Robert. Welcome back to another on-the-road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Stop. Before you begin any repair, unplug the appliance from the wall outlet. It is also recommended that you check for proper voltage. The tools required to complete this repair are a 1/4-inch nut driver. Today we'll be taking a look at the light switch on the Frigidaire top mount refrigerator. You will have one of two issues with this light switch. Either the light will not come on when you open the door, or it will not shut off when you close the door. To access this component, we must first open the refrigerator door. To remove the control box assembly, we'll remove one 1/4-inch screw and with that screw unscrewed, we'll slide the assembly forward and then drop it down and disconnect the Molex plug in the ceiling, and the control box assembly is removed. To remove the light switch or door switch, we're going to depress this clip and push the body through and push it slightly over and get the rest of the body through. We're not going to disconnect the wires until we get the door switch through, because you don't have room enough to get clearance. So we'll depress the clip and the door switch is protruding through, and then we will push over a bit and the rest of the switch starts to come out, and rock it and pull your wires through, and now you can disconnect your wires from the switch and set that aside. Now that we have a new switch assembly, we're going to go ahead and install it. First, we're going to attach our wire terminals while the switch is out of the control box. Again, that's because once the switch is in place, you won't have clearance to do it. You're going to set the terminals of the wires in first and then rock the switch in. The side closest to you is going to go in first, and then push the other side in until you hear it clip, and the door switch is installed. Now we can reinstall the control box. Installation of the control box is done by lining up the drain tube coming out of the back of it into the drain hole in the back wall of the refrigerator, and then lining up these slotted holes with these shoulder tabs in the ceiling. So what we're going to do first is line up the drain hole and then bring the unit up and plug in the Molex plug. And then we're going to bring the entire assembly up, slide it back, onto the shouldered tabs, and install the single 1/4-inch screw in the center of the control box, and the control box is installed, and that completes the repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.